Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ABC Crypto Tutorials and this is your boy once again, Father Abraham. So quickly we'll be diving into Pancakeswap today to see what it's all about. So Pancakeswap basically it's a decentralized exchange, also known as a DEX, where you can exchange crypto. So you can exchange your USDT for another cryptocurrency you believe has a very good potentials, and then you can go back to Pancakeswap to take your profit. That's like taking that coin out from the amount it's got in dollars to exchange for USDT. That's a stable coin, or Binance USD, which is also a stable coin, or BNB, which is the Binance Smart Chain. Alright, so basically you just come to the dApp section, you look for Pancakeswap, you click on it. So here we are in Pancakeswap. Basically sometimes when you open this, right, it might just be as this connect wallet, right? It's just there, you can't do nothing, all your balances will be empty. If you had BNB, it's going to show you that there's nothing there. If you have Binance USD, it's going to show you that you don't have anything because it's not connected to any wallet. All right, it's not connected to any wallet. Before you can perform any transaction, you've got to be connected. So what you do, you click on the connect wallet, and then there are two options, by the way. You can just click either the trust wallet or click on wallet connect. Either of them will work fine. If you click on trust wallet, you see go connected. If you click on wallet connect at the same time, you also get connected, definitely. Yeah, so this is wallet connect. So they ask you to connect to your trust wallet. Was asking you, do you want to connect? So this is just kind of a very long process, and then you just click on connect. Right, when you go back, so connect is actually something really, yeah. So this is it, it's connected. So either way is actually fine. You can choose to use wallet connect, or you can choose to use trust wallet. Now what is this setting here? Is the same thing here. This same settings you have is the same thing down here. All right, just opposite the swap. So what is this? Standard, fast, and instant. That is the transaction speed. So the higher the transaction speed, the more cost you'll be charged. So for the standard, you are charged quite low. For fast, you charge a little bit higher. Something medium. Fast, instant, you charge way high, and like double or triple the standard price because you want it like really fast. And that fast, instant and fast, they are mostly used when you want to sell a pre-sale token. So it's just getting listed. You want to be fast, you want to be really fast, you don't want your network slowing you down, you don't want this matching congestion to hold you down. You just go ahead and choose the instant. And then the slippage tolerance is actually it's actually different for various tokens. Each token have their various slippage percentage. Some coins have theirs to be 25, some have theirs to be 30. So it just depends on the tokenomics of the coin. That's like how the coin has been set to be distributed. So whenever there's a fee taken in that slippage, either 10%, usually a percentage goes to the holders, and then another percentage go to the developers, and another percentage go to a wallet for marketing, so they can cash it out and use it for marketing to show the project, to promote it, and all of that sort. So normally it is standard at 0.5, but you can click on that box and they make it 10. If it's 10, you can make it 15. If it's 50, you can, if it's not, if it's 20, you can make it 20. So you'll be warned that your transaction may be front run, meaning that you'll be, if you are using 20% and you are swapping a coin with $100, you'll be charged 20% of $100. That's $20. So you'll be warned before you do. I'm going to change that back, so make sure you always watch out, and it's always at this 0.5. Normally this slippage, I won't advise you to mess with that at all, unless if you are selling a coin. If you are buying, you can just go over that. I'll show you where you can do that. So let's say I want to buy cake. All right, so one thing you should know is that on Pacakeswap, the coin they use for transaction charge is the smart chain, and that is what you can see at the top there. That is smart chain icon, and this is the smart chain. My balance is 0.13. and that's just for gas fee actually. So you can actually swap with any coin. You can swap with USDT here. You can use your USDT to buy any coin of your choice. If you want to buy FEG, you want to buy you can Bitrise, you can use your USDT to buy. The only difference is that, or the only thing is that, you're going to be charged for the transaction cost from your BNB balance. So if you don't have Binance Smart Chain, you can't perform any transaction here. So what do you do now? You just put the amount. If you are going to be buying with $100, you just put $100 and then you click on swap. So I don't have sufficient balance there, but BUSD, I think I have some amount. So let's say I want to buy Bitrise with $10. All you have to do is just to put 10 Binance USD, although I'll be charged from my BNB balance. Alright, when I click on confirm swap, it will tell you this most of the time. Now some people will try to mess with this with the slippage, but I won't advise you to do that. What do? You just come to this coin you're swapping for, delete a number, place it back in. All right, now you notice the Binance USD was like 10. Now it has kind of splitted the whole thing to 9 point something fraction, and then when I swap now, it's just going to go smooth. All right, can you see this now? It's just going to go smooth. So what do? You just you just confirm the transaction. I won't be approving this, I won't be doing any of the transaction. So here we are again, and then let me just change it back to Bitrise. That's Bitrise actually. It's a coin I bought some time ago. I've taken profit though, but I still have some amounts. So now we are back. So now, what if I want to sell my Bitrise, right? So once I click here and try to swap for my BNB, it's going to ask me to enable. There'll be a charge for that. Enable. I will charge 17 cents, no problem. So I already enabled biometrics, so every transaction I want to do must be approved by me, and that's actually for security, and I will advise you do that yourself. So I already approved this. Yeah, I won't have to approve it for a second time because I clicked it twice. So now I'll be asked to swap now, but you might face an issue. Let me see if it comes up. Yeah, this issue is what I want to show you now. So when you're faced with this issue, what do? There are two things you can do. You can either change the slippage to about, increase it to about 6%, 10%, 14, 12%, 13, 15. So like I said, it varies from token to token. Okay, so but one thing you can try to do first is that you can try to delete a number from here, put it back, and then try to swap. If it doesn't work, then you don't have any other option than to go to the slippage and then do your transaction. So you just have to come here and change it to either 10. Okay, so what you just do is that you can start with 10, click on swap. All right, yeah, it gives you the error, so it's not 10, so you do 15, you swap. If it doesn't work, you make it 20. So like I said, it varies from token to token. So you make it 20%. That's quite high, meaning you'll be losing 20%, and now 20% is the amount. So the network fee you can see is $4. That's crazy, really crazy. But I'm not doing this transaction, it's just for educational purposes. But yeah, so that's just how you go when you're buying. If you're faced with the error, you just delete a number from the token itself, and when you are selling, you have nothing else to do but to tamper with the slippage. But whenever you are done, make sure you change it back to 0.5, and then you are good to go. So next time you don't come and buy a token with 20%, you end up losing 20% of your equity or your liquidity. So that'll be all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel as well and then you can also turn on the notification, so when I drop new tutorials you'll be alerted. Thank you very much.